All right, so this is the second part of the drawing. You can see this is a completely solid wooden frame, and in this frame I'm doing the acrylic painting. So this is going to be the road and this is the field. As you know, this is a night sky, so I'm going to draw or the paint the few trees over there and the stars in the sky, and then the drawing is going to be complete. Let's start the drawing here. All right, so for the trees I'm going to do it like a perspective. It's because the trees which are in a far distance, those are looking smaller, and the trees which are near at me or near at us, those trees looks bigger. There's the rule of perspective. We are following this rule to draw the trees. Okay, so the canvas is almost ready. These are the mountain trees, so that's why it's little straight lines. Some other trees you can see on the horizon, and it's usually the same types of shape. Okay. mm-hmm. Awesome. So after drawing that one, we're going to put the leaves here. So usually the leaves are bigger in the middle point, and it has a pointy top getting curved to the top positions. Okay, so yeah, each tree details is going to be the same. All right, we're moving to the next tree, and you can see the details like I'm putting each type of hash. Okay, so putting the brush strokes together, and the top is going to be the pointy one. Awesome. Then moving to the next one. So usually we start from the middle, because when we took the color in a brush, it has a lots of liquid here, the liquid painting. So we start from the middle so that it doesn't make the top is in a bigger one. So top is going to be the pointy one. Awesome. Okay. All right, now we are synchronizing the ground, and few strokes like a straight line you can see. All right. Okay, now I'm going to draw few trees here. Okay, just finishing all the trees in a same fashion. All right, moving to the next tree. Usually, as you know, the horizon is the uh, same distance, so no way for the perspective there. but it's going to be all smaller because it's in a far distance. But in this side it's like progressing, so that's why we see the height variations of the trees. Okay, all right. Just here connecting the end point lines with the few dots here. Mhm, and here. Awesome. Okay, so the trees are done. Now I'm going to take the white color and put some stars and the few dots. Then the drawing is going to be complete. So usually you're going to put the stars, like putting dots first. Then we're going to make it like a plus symbol of the mathematics. So do like this. It defines the stars, and some dot you can see it looks like the stars which are in a far distance in a night sky. Okay, all right. The thing is that the drawing is very simple and easy to draw, and you can see the whole presentations. It's like a bust field and it looks very good, and all the details, it's very easy. And actually this was a DIY frame, so the solid wood piece which was already present in the house. So I chose it because this is almost the permanent, because if we use the canvas and it's made of the fabric, sometimes it's made with clothings, so clothings may be not as long lasting like the solid wood piece. That's why this piece is going to be last longer, and its thickness and the color, those are pretty much good combination, and I am hoping that this painting is going to last longer for many years. Hope for the best. That's the thing. Mhm. Little more details and then I'm going to finish now. Just putting little color here. Okay, all right. Thanks for watching. Please subscribe the channel and put the bell icon on. Thank you so much. Have a good day.